Good morning, good morning guys, Kuya Joseph here. At eto, mag-long ride kami, Kuya Oliver's na pagtripa namin. So ngayon, mag-isa pa lang ako dito sa Evia, Petron Evia. Yan. Nasa harapan ko kanina kung nakikita nyo, H&M at McDo. Kung kita. Yan. Yan. Yun, McDo. Ayan. Hinihintay ko lang yung mga kasama ko. Kagigising na nung isa. Tapos yung isa is nagsasapatos lang daw. Hinihintay ko lang. So hintay-hintay lang tayo rito hanggang sa dumating. Dapat talaga is 2:30 ang call time. Napasarap ang tulog nung isa. Ngayon lang nagising. Kaya hintay natin. Tapos pagdating nila, kompleto na kami, tuloy na kami, daming pupuntahan. Kaya see you guys later. And bigyan ako update mamaya. Oh guys, update. Kuya Jonathan is here. Ayan, Kuya Jonathan.
Ay, sipal.
Kararating lang. Kuya Jonas na lang, hintayin natin.
Oo.
Kuya Jonas, okay. Update ulit mamaya. Oh guys, dalawang motor na. Isang motor na lang. Dalawa na yan. Isa na lang ang inihintay. Lalarga na. Hello guys, dumating na siya. Oh, ayan.
Bakit kami vlog
Oh. Bablog na tayo. Ano, tuloy na tayo? O, pahinga muna.
Saan ba tayo?
Oh, sige. Balik ako mamaya.
The fire and snow, voices of a north in the cold wind blow.
Shadows in the night, but the stars still glow. If I fall tonight, let the whole world know.
Calling me home where the old gods stand, through the storm and the blood red sand. The sky falls down and the rivers run slow. Hear my name in the winter snow.
Hot steel in the hand when the long ships sail. Cold in the lungs when the night winds wail. Came from the far lost where the brave don't fail. Every star got a story to tell. Drums in the dark when the war horns cry. Storm in the chest like the northern sky. If I walk through fire, I don't ask why. Kings rise once, but the legends never die. I don't run when the thunder crack. Stand my ground when the wolves attack.